Alright, I just picked up this 2025 Ford Expedition Tremor today, and I've seen a few videos on this over the last couple years, and I'm kind of surprised they're still doing it. These running boards are on the wrong side, and it's not a Ford manufacturing issue. It's like the company that makes them are labeling them incorrectly. So if you look, it runs past the front door up here. It says Ford at the back and it tapers at the back. And then see how short it is on this door. So when you go to step in, you don't have the grippy part there. You have just this small area of Ford to step on. So I'm going to unbolt them, I'm going to flip them around, and I'm going to show you how that area lines up better when they're flipped driver side to passenger side. And they are just 8 10mm bolts on each side. Just unbolt these, not the whole bracket. You don't need to mess with that. You just are unbolting just this aluminum, just the running board itself, not the brackets. Alright, so just unbolted it. That's what it's going to look like. 8 10mm. This is the driver's side and left. Driver's side in America is the left. So, manufacturer are improperly labeling these. Alright, here they are next to each other, so you can get a little better side by side of what I'm talking about. The Ford should be at the front. The more squared off rear portion at the rear door. I'll unbolt this and flip it. Alright, just took this one off that was on the passenger side. R for right. Again, this is the right side of the vehicle. So the Ford factory is properly installing these for how they are labeled. Alright, here they are swapped. So you've got Ford and Tremor. Obviously the non-vented grippy area is not where you're going to be stepping. So this makes sense. I just have 2 bolts just hand tied in there for now, just to show you. And again, back here, grip, instead of it saying Ford there's grip to step in. So you can do whatever you like with your vehicles, but I definitely think this tapering out makes way more sense. Like it comes out and gets wider. Definitely looks better in my mind. Plus, if you really want to get technical, the way these slots are cut, it's like for the wind to go through. But I really don't think that's got anything to do with anything. But I do like having this full textured grip surface right where you're getting in, because since that tapers off, when that was back here, you didn't have much of a step to actually get in. So just my 2 cents. 16 10mm bolts. They do have blue Loctite on them, so definitely put Loctite back on when you reinstall them. But thanks for watching. See you on the next one.